City of Chicago Heights, Illinois. Liquor license, bond. What is the City of Chicago Heights liquor license bond? The City of Chicago Heights liquor license bond is a surety bond required by the city for establishments that sell alcoholic beverages. The bond amount is set at $10,000, meaning the bondholder guarantees compliance with local, state, and federal regulations governing the sale and distribution of alcohol. Why is the liquor license bond required? Regulatory compliance. The bond ensures that businesses follow city ordinances, including maintaining proper records, adhering to alcohol sale hours, and preventing sales to minors or intoxicated individuals. Financial responsibility. If the liquor license holder violates the terms of the bond, such as failing to pay taxes or fines related to the sale of alcohol, the city can make a claim against the bond to recover these costs. This financial safeguard protects the city from bearing the burden of financial losses caused by non-compliance. Public trust. Having a bond in place helps build trust with the local community. Patrons know that liquor establishments are held to strict standards and will face consequences if they violate the law. The bond adds a layer of accountability for business owners. Key requirements for the liquor license bond. Obtaining the City of Chicago Heights liquor license, $10,000. Bond is not a complicated process, but it is essential to understand the requirements. Here's what business owners need to know. Bond amount. The bond amount is set at $10,000, meaning the surety guarantees this amount in the event of a claim. License requirement. You must have the bond in place before you can obtain your liquor license from the City of Chicago Heights. This bond acts as a condition for the license approval. Renewal. The bond typically needs to be renewed annually, or as long as the liquor license remains active. Business owners must ensure that the bond stays in good standing to avoid any disruptions in their liquor sales. How does the liquor license bond work? When a business owner applies for the liquor license bond, they are essentially entering into a financial contract that promises compliance with local laws. If the business fails to follow the rules, for example, by selling alcohol to underage customers, not paying taxes, or violating other provisions, the city can file a claim against the bond. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.